So now for large products, sub-large products. So we have seen the sub-large project mean the investment is greater than 50 crore but less than 300 crore. So the limit is 50 to 300 crore, and employment, providing employment for at least 50% the manufacturing services. Okay, so capital subsidy. So up to a subsidy of up to 1 crore upon completion of investment with standard investment period of 4 years. So government will give 1 crore subsidy, and if it is C district means you can have even more benefits. Electricity tax incentive. So new or expanding units will be given tax exemption for a period of 5 years on the power purchased from Tangent Co or generated from other sources. So 5 years, the power relaxation is given, and 50% concession on stamp duty is also given for the buildings promoted by SIPCOT or SITCO. The green industry initiative, the green industry, what we have seen. So the whatever projects or machinery or industry are going to establish for what environmental hazard it is going to cause. So if you are going to output has contaminated water, means whether you are recycling and using that water for reusing. So whether your energy or your sustainable energy you are using. So how you are monitoring it online. So all these are considered as a green industry. So government will give 20% subsidy for setting up the all these infrastructure subject to a limit of 1 crore. Subject to a limit of 1 crore. So safety and energy efficiency solutions. So that's what we have seen. The mechanized replacing the manual scavenging with mechanized thing, and using electric vehicles and wastewater solutions and other greening solutions as per the thing. So policy implementations. How are we going to implement all these policies with ease and efficiency? So to reinforce that, a clear governance and implementation mechanism has been laid out. Application and sanction, you see. So all the applications will be forwarded to the recommendation of Industries Department for sanction of structured package of incentives. So you all everything is single window system, right? So you have a single portal for doing approval and sanctioning of all these funds and incentives in a single go. And everything has to be coordinated by the SIPCOT or SITCO from where you have established your company. An interdepartmental committee will serve as a recommendatory body for the cabinet for sanction of incentives. So you have to verify the facts and approve the incentives, right? So you are going to set up an interdepartmental committee under the cabinet to verify and approve the incentives. So SIPCOT is going to be the implementing agency for dispersing the incentive to all the companies. The incentive dispersal mechanism, the company can apply online for claiming in subject to eligibility, and by the agency will verify that, and if everything is found good and we are supporting digital payments, so if we will evolve a cashless mechanism for dispersal of incentives. So being a digital economy is on the future, it's going to be the future, right? So we are going for cashless economy. So cashless mechanism of dispersal of the incentive will be taken care by the SITCO. And the government is the process of re-engineering to ensure prompt and seamless distribution of incentives. It will not take longer time. The government will ensure that the incentives reach the companies in a short period of